Welcome back to Business Smart, where we help you make the smartest purchasing decisions so you don't end up with a mop that's just a glorified stick. Today, we're diving deep into the world of floor cleaning with two contenders that promise to scrub away your messes: the Bissell SpinWave cordless pet mop and the Shark Steam and Scrub mop. On the left, we have the Bissell SpinWave, the mop that's more pet-friendly than your last Tinder date. And on the right, the Shark Steam and Scrub, which sounds like a fancy spa treatment for your floors. Let's see which one deserves a spot in your cleaning arsenal. First up, the price. Bissell is coming in hot at $154, while Shark is ready to clean at a cool $139. So if you want to save a few bucks and still have a mop that works harder than your college roommate, Shark might just be your best bet. Now let's talk about cleaning power. The Bissell SpinWave boasts powerful spinning mop pads that restore your floor's natural shine. Reviewers have highlighted that it effectively cleans grout lines and laminate wood floors, making it a solid choice for everyday cleaning. Meanwhile, the Shark Steam and Scrub claims to deliver over 150 scrubs per minute. Users rave about its powerful scrubbing capabilities, making it excellent for tough stains. Talk about a workout. Next, we have cordless freedom versus steam power. The Bissell is all about that 18 volts lithium-ion battery life, giving you 20 minutes of untethered cleaning. Some reviewers mention the disappointing battery life, but many appreciate its ease of use. On the flip side, Shark is all about that steam life, with 3 steam modes that allow for a personalized cleaning experience. Reviewers love its ability to sanitize while being lightweight and easy to maneuver. Now let's chat versatility. The Bissell is safe on sealed hard floors, like wood, tile, and linoleum. Reviewers value its compatibility with various floor types, making it a great all-rounder. Meanwhile, the Shark is also designed for all sealed hard floors, including hardwood and stone. Users appreciate its effectiveness on various surfaces, so whether you live in a trendy loft or a cozy cottage, both mops have got your back. What about features? The Bissell comes with on-demand spray control, allowing you to decide how much cleaning solution to unleash. Reviewers find this feature handy for effective cleaning. The Shark, however, brings the heat with powerful LED headlights to reveal hidden debris. Users love this feature, as it helps them spot dirt that might otherwise go unnoticed. Because who doesn't want their mop to moonlight as a detective? Overall, both mops have garnered positive reviews, but they cater to different needs. The Bissell SpinWave is praised for its ease of use and effectiveness, especially for pet owners, despite some concerns about battery life. The Shark Steam and Scrub is highly recommended for its powerful steam cleaning capabilities and versatility, making it an excellent choice for those who prioritize sanitation. So which mop is the ultimate champion in the battle of the scrubbers? The Bissell SpinWave is perfect if you want cordless convenience and a pet-friendly vibe. But if you're looking for a steam-powered cleaning machine that tackles tough stains with the finesse of a ninja, the Shark Steam and Scrub is your go-to. Whichever you choose, just remember, a clean floor is a happy floor. And if you're still not sure, just flip a coin. It's way more fun than reading the manual. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. Product links are in the description.